Now that our butter is beaten, it's time to add the rest of our wet ingredients. We're going to start with our 1 cup of canned pumpkin. 1 cup of canned pumpkin is about half of a can of the smaller cans of pumpkin. So that's a good way to think of it. If you're going to be making something else which also calls for a cup, then if you have an entire can, then it'll make both recipes. Mix that a little bit, and we're going to add 1 1/8 cups of sugar. Now, if you're like most people, you probably don't have a 1/8 cup measuring cup. So that equals 1 cup and then 1 tablespoon. We'll put in 1 cup and then 1 tablespoon. And next, we're going to add in 2 eggs, something which was missed in the ingredient list. We want to have 2 eggs added to this. Just use regular large eggs. And it's always nice to have something to put your eggshells in while you're cracking them on the counter, if you can't get to the garbage can quite easily. That way you don't have to worry about them dripping onto your countertop. We're going to smash up those eggs and start mixing. And then our last wet ingredient that we will be adding is our orange juice. And we want to add a 1/2 cup of orange juice. And then we just want to stir everything until it's all incorporated.